Welcome to the Oregon Coast Railroad. When I built my HO scale layout, it was made for operations using timetable and train order track authority. Railroad that ran from the east, Portland, Oregon, Hoyt Street Station, along the Columbia River to Astoria and south to Tillamook. And it survived for 50 or 60 op sessions. Now I'd like to change it to a terminal railroad serving the industrial area north of the city of Portland to the Columbia River, which is about a 5 or 6 mile stretch. Trains will still start in Hoyt Street, past Swift, and then they will get to Kenton, which is a major rebuild and the subject of this video. The Kenton local will come out of Hoyt Street and Swift and come up here to Kenton. The first industry is an armor branch house. The next industry is a combination of buildings that make up the Columbia River Salmon Company. As we come around the curve here, you'll see the back of the armor packing house. And we're now coming up on the main drag in Kenton. I could call it Paul Dulcas Avenue, since Paul made a Red Wing shoe store and also the Spick and Span diner that's beside it from scratch. And he also made this gas station from a JL Innovative kit. The index card there is a placeholder for a model that Brian Kelly is making for me right now. And beyond that, you can see a diner that I've just started to build. Way up there will be a big parking lot for trucks and trailers serving all of the buildings that will be located along these sidings here. These three tracks are really the heart of Kenton. 4 industries are on the track to the right. The middle track is a working track, and the track on the left serves this big team track area. The 4 industries along this track are Portland Wholesale Produce, which is a scratch-built kit. A gap here for a building I have yet to make. It'll be some sort of grocery warehouse. The next building is a Maryland Pacific Cone Company. Chuck Hitchcock made this model for me. It's a real industry that was in North Portland, Oregon, and it made ice cream cones in such volume that they were shipped out by rail. The next industry, National Cold Storage, is a greatly modified Walther's kit. The last single industry has 2 buildings. It's Fred Kluge Produce. There's both a cold storage plant here and a warehouse. Kenton will work by having a small train come out like this one you see right here with 8, 10, maybe 12 cars. The crew will work here on these 8 industries at about 15 different spots, and when they get done they will return to Hoyt Street. We've run it a few times already and it takes 90 minutes to 2 hours, which is just fine. Well, that's my story. Thanks for watching.